Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, I'll be doing my review and a demo on the new brush set from Beauty Bakerie. So if you haven't heard about Beauty Bakerie, it's an indie brand, it's a black owned brand, and the last product from them that I reviewed was their foundation, which I did not like at all. So when I saw that they came out with their new brush set or new brushes, I just had to get the brush set. So excuse my background right now because I just got tired of my white wall, so I wanted to change it up a little bit. So excuse if you don't like my background right now. This is my big ass window. So yeah. So before I'm going to do my review and demo on the new brush set, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now without further ado, let's go jump right in. It came inside this beautiful box. I just love Beauty Bakerie's theme. It's about pastries, baking. I love pastries. Just love pastries. So I'm going to show you guys the unique cartons. So they came inside in these unique cartons. So here are the unique cartons. Let me show you guys. So here's the unique carton for the Deluxe powder brush. I can see, guys, this unique carton is so pretty. I hope it's not too bright. And information right here at the back. The bristles are really soft. The handles of the brushes are really nice. They don't feel cheap at all. They feel a little bit heavy. They have some weight to them. And you can see the emboss right here, say the logo of the brand Beauty Bakerie. So I love the baby pink color of the handle. So these brushes are really good. So this one, I wish it was a blush brush because, like I said, I don't set my face with, just don't set my face in general because I have extremely dry skin. So I might use this one during summertime, but for now I just do not like this one. This one is the foundation brush. So I do not like to apply my brush, like my foundation, with a brush like this one. I like to use a dense brush for my foundation, but this one works really good with my concealer and it doesn't look like streaky under my eyes, which I really like. So this one is good, but I just wish it was a dense brush. Okay guys, so this one is the angled brush. It's not dense enough for my liking. It's kind of flimsy a little bit for $12. I think this is like $12. You can buy them individually, but they are just so pricey. In my opinion, they're just pricey. So this one's like $12. Let me see. Oh, $8 for the angled brush. For the foundation brush, this one $12. The Deluxe powder brush, $14. I feel like you're paying for the quality of the brushes. That's what I'm thinking. So this one is the contour brush. This was good. This one retails for $12. This one, the stippling brush. This one I could use to apply my foundation and just to share it out because I like to wear light to medium coverage. So this one retails for $12. The brushes, they're very pricey. This brand is a pricey brand. They're not cheap at all. I personally do not like the set. Don't get me wrong, the brushes are amazing. The quality, the handles are amazing. The bristles are really soft. They feel very expensive, but I could not use all of them. There's only like 4 face brushes, and out of that I could only use 2, and then 2 eye brushes. I just do not like the angled brush because it's way too flimsy for my liking. I'd rather get a very dense brush. And then this one, the concealer brush, I wish both of the brushes were blending brushes or eyeshadow brushes. This is just missing a lot. Like for example, this one, I could not use this one to set my eyes on my face because I have very dry skin. I'd rather get a blush brush. This one, foundation brush, it works really good for my under eyes, doesn't look streaky, but I would rather get a dense foundation brush, just my personal preference. What else? This one's good. It works really good, but I have like a lot of contour brush and it works as good as this one. What else? I mean those are all the brushes for $50. So I love to support indie brands, guys. I just love to support indie brands, but most of the brushes, I mean, I could not use all of them. So I mean, just really up to you guys what you like. I mean, just personal preference. So let me know if you purchased their new brush set or their new brushes, or what you think about the brushes, guys, because I just want to hear your opinions. So I feel really bad but you know what, I'm still going to use them because I bought the brushes or the set, I paid for them. So yeah, I mean yeah, I'm kinda sad right now, but you know, it is what it is. So this will be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.